Today we are going to be creating a body care routine that will help you fix your dry skin. If your skin is dry, dull, rough and ashy, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene, your skincare bestie. To fix your dry skin, you need just few products. You need cleansing product, exfoliating product, and moisturizing product. For your cleansing product, you need a very good body wash that will help to moisturize your skin and help fix your dry skin. For body wash, the number one on my list is this Dove Shea Body Wash. This body wash contains shea butter, glycerin. It will help to fix your dry skin, soften your skin, restore moisture back into your skin, and help to repair your skin barrier. It will not strip your skin of its natural moisture. The second on my list is this La Roche-Posay body wash. This body wash is the powerhouse of hydration and moisturization. This body wash will help to fix your dry skin, restore moisture back into your skin, and help to keep your skin moisturized. It will also help to repair your skin barrier. This is a body wash that you use. It will not strip your skin of its natural moisture, and it will not irritate your skin. It contains oatmeal for those of you that have sensitive skin to help calm the sensitivity of your skin. So for exfoliants, you will need a very good body scrub, something that is gentle on the skin, something that is not too harsh on your skin. For body scrub, we are using this Dove body scrub. This body scrub is a whip body scrub. It is mild on the skin and it's ideal for dry skin. It will help to fix your dry skin by helping you to get rid of dead skin cell that is on the surface of your skin that is preventing your skin from resurfacing. It will soften your skin and help every other product that want to come in to work well on your skin. If you want faster result on your skin, then you want to make sure that you incorporate body scrub into your routine. You cannot miss it. Then for moisturization, I'll be listing few body lotions that you can use to fix your dry skin. Number one body lotion on my list, the Eucerin body lotion. This lotion contains hydrating ingredients, it contains moisturizing ingredient, and also exfoliating ingredient. This is best for fixing your dry skin. To help fix your dry skin, it will help restore moisture back into your skin and help to strengthen your skin barrier. It also help to soften your skin and help to lock in moisture in your skin. This is the kind of lotion that you will use. You will not complain of dry skin again. Your skin will not look ashy, your skin will not look dull, your skin will just be looking soft and hydrated for 24 hours. Another lotion on my list is this CeraVe body lotion. This lotion will help heal your dry skin to help soften your skin. It contains hyaluronic acid, it contains ceramide, it contains glycerin. It will help keep your skin moisturized for 24 hours. You will not complain of dry skin if you use this product. You will not complain of dull skin if you use this product. It will just help soften your skin and keep your skin moisturized for the longest, and also help to repair your skin barrier. Another lotion on my list is this Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Cream Deep Moisturizing Serum. It is a body cream that helps to heal and fix your dry skin. This is a body cream that you will use, you will never complain of dry skin. It contains glycerin, cocoa butter, and vitamin E. That is, it just what it does. It just helps to heal your skin, soften your skin, and help to keep your skin moisturized for the longest. It helps to repair your skin barrier. You will never complain of dry skin. You will not complain of ashy skin. You will not complain of dull skin if you use this lotion. It will just keep your skin moisturized for the longest. Another lotion that you can also use is this one from the EOS. It contains shea butter, it contains glycerin, and lots of moisturizing ingredients that will help to fix your dry skin. It will help restore moisture back into your skin and help to repair your skin barrier. You will never complain of ashy skin if you use this lotion. It will just help to keep your skin soft and lock in moisture for the longest in your skin. So we are done for the body lotions. Now for body oils, because body oils also help to lock in moisture into your skin and also help to keep your skin moisturized. So for body oils, we are using this one from this Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Radiance Body Oil. This oil will help to add moisture into your skin and also help to lock it in. If you really want a faster result for body care routine, you want to make sure that you are adding oil into it, because that is the only way your skin is going to heal faster. You will see quicker result when you add body oils, because it will just help to lock in moisture into your skin for the longest time without your skin looking dull or looking ashy. Okay guys, this is all for now, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So if you watched it this minute, I want to say thank you for watching my video, and please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new video here. Bye guys.